Hello and welcome. This instructional video will show you the step-by-step how to use the pan feature of your Baby Mood Pro on the Chillax Care app and on your parent unit. The camera can be remotely controlled from the parent unit when the baby unit is in viewing mode. Press the up or down button on the parent unit to tilt the baby unit up or down. Press the left or right button on the parent unit to pan the baby unit left or right. The camera can be remotely controlled from the Chillax Care app when the baby unit is in viewing mode. Open the Chillax Care app. Select your Baby Mood Pro camera. Open the camera view in full screen. Press the left or right arrow to pan the baby unit left or right. Please note that the tilt option isn't available in the Chillax Care app. If you have additional questions, please visit chillaxcare.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching.